Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to try the Icy Douyin makeup look, but virtually, so you don't need any makeup products or skills. And here we will use Nano Banana Edit, the AI powered tool inside Google Gemini, to create this dreamy Douyin style photo in just a few steps. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through the app like this, or you can open it through the browser, and then make sure you are logged in with your Google account. And then after that, just tap on create image, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images. This way to activate the Nano Banana tool that lets you edit photo instantly using just a text prompt. And then next, just upload your clear selfie. Just try to pick one with good lighting and your face visible clearly, because this will help the AI keep your real facial feature. And then once uploaded, just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your photo. And then once uploaded, now here's come the fun part. Let's type in a prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, or you can also customize it as you like. You can describe the details of the Icy Douyin makeup look that you want. Just feel free to change this prompt. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it. And when you're done for the prompt, let's tap generate. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, your virtual giant glow is ready, and honestly, it looks so realistic, like you really use the makeup. Next, if you want a softer or bolder look, you can tweak the prompt a bit, like changing soft pink to icy lilac, or more shimmer under the eyes, and many more. Just regenerate until you love the result. And okay, maybe that's it. Now you have got your perfect Icy Douyin makeup look without touching a single makeup brush. It's fun way to test new styles or get photo inspirations before doing real makeup. And okay, if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.